Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to your favorite crypto trading channel. Let's do a little update on the market, starting off with Ripple, which I did show you a few videos back. We did make a long position right here, and I did trail my stop loss exactly how I showed you in the past video, right beneath this previous red candle, right? So this one. And, unfortunately, or I would rather say fortunately, I did get stopped out of this trade and picked up a solid 1.2 RR, which at my usual risk, which is 2% per trade, I did make around 2.4% on this trade right here on my trading account. So whoever tells you you're not able to trade cryptocurrencies is just full of it, because as you can see right here, we had a very nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. We had a nice zone of support that was reacted to and respected in the past, and we had price breaking out of this neckline and the 50 period moving average, providing us with a lot of different confirmations for more downside when it comes to this this trade right here. So for more upside when it comes to this trade right now, Ripple, I really hope some of you took advantage of it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you didn't, we're gonna catch another trade tomorrow or day after that, or one of these days, and also you're able to learn a few things from me potentially. Now let's move on into the US 500, where, as I said, we're moving downwards towards the 3.2k level. Currently, we are seeing somewhat of a consolidation, and we do have a strong zone of support down here. So I would not be surprised if price makes an intermediate move towards the upside. So let's say something like this, a retracement into one of these areas, and then a further move down, since rate hikes are still going strong and monetary policies are still deflationary, which means that all of these central banks, especially the US central bank, and these are the top 500 companies in the USA, they're all focusing on lowering inflation, which basically means that the market should be going down. So that's all being well and respected, but let's see if we do make a short-term retracement or, potentially some sort of a correction pattern before continuing towards more downside. Now, Ethereum is in kind of a weird spot right now. We did have all the merge news and all of this stuff happening very recently, so it's kind of in a precarious position where we can't really tell where it's going to go at this point. So we had a movement downwards, and then we had a retracement upwards, a nice head and shoulders pattern, but we have some conflicting indicators right here, so I have no idea, is it going to go down or up? But, in the case that it goes down, this is the first zone of support right around this area. But if we do continue moving towards the upside, the next zone of resistance will be around the 2k level. So let's consider this zone a range at this point, and consider price, as long as it's moving within this range, it's not going anywhere. If we break out towards the upside, we're in a bull market, and if we break out towards the downside, that's pretty much confirming a continuation of this bear market, which would be completely normal considering all of these rate hikes. Now, drop a fat like if you enjoy the video so far, and let's get into the behemoth in the crypto world, or Bitcoin. So if we hop into Bitcoin right now, I did say in the past few videos that if we do break below this level right here and make a close, we will be moving more down. However, that didn't happen yet. So at this point, we have two options, right? So Bitcoin can move up, and from here on out, it can either make a break towards the upside, which would tell us that we will see some more upside coming into this area potentially. But in any case, whether we retrace to here or we retrace to here, in any case, the market should be moving down because of the rate hikes and all of this stuff. But crypto's not looking too bad, so don't be too worried. The bear market's still happening right now, but my advice is always just DCA, or dollar cost average. So anytime Bitcoin drops below the 20k level, you're going to see good buying opportunities happening, so you can stock up on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies at a discount. Now, lastly, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to end the video right now. I do have a few more things to cover, but I just wanted to say I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the crypto or blockchain world, or any cryptocurrencies out there. And Fed Chair Jay Powell says that the work on the digital dollar will only come out in a few years from now, which makes perfect sense. And this is a good thing, right? Countries are developing their own digital dollars, which will bring regulation into the crypto world, which is good because we're probably never going to see a stablecoin crash ever again in the future. So that's a good thing. And lastly, looking at CoinMarketCap, we can see a little bit of green in the entire cryptocurrency world. So as I said at the start, with the US 500, we could see a movement towards the upside of the market itself, a little correction of all of these recent losses. And, after that, we could just continue towards more downside. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Whoever took advantage of this Ripple trade, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell or something, because I am going to be bringing you more trades like this. And I really hope to see you all in the next video.